Hey TinkerBlock creators! Today we're diving into the world of sound detection with the TK27 Analog Microphone. This isn't just about hearing sounds, we're converting them into real-time data that you can see and analyze. We're using the TinkerBlock TK27 Analog Microphone connected to analog pin A0. This tiny sensor converts sound waves into electrical signals, giving us readings from 0 to 1023. The magic happens when we process these values to classify sound levels and create visual representations. Watch as I speak, clap, and make different sounds. See how the system instantly classifies them as quiet, low, medium, loud, or very loud. The ASCII bar graph grows with sound intensity, and we track the dynamic range from minimum to maximum values detected. The code uses threshold-based classification with calibrated levels for different environments. We update the display every 100 milliseconds for smooth real-time monitoring, and the system automatically tracks your sound range for easy calibration. It's perfect for sound-activated projects and environmental monitoring. This project teaches you analog signal processing, real-time data visualization, and sensor calibration. Try it yourself and experiment with different thresholds for your environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own TinkerBlock sound detection projects in the comments below.